Okay everyone, in this video I will explain to all of you about how to make a sculpture with SketchUp. So let's watch my video. Okay, first of all I just make the base plane of this modeling with a circle, just like this. We can set the circle with with diameter around 4 meter, so I will set the radius around 2 meter, just like this. And maybe we can just set the segment of this circle with the top menu on this default 3 bar, and we could set it would be 64 segments, just like this. You can see about the entity info on default 3 right there, just like this. And then I just make the thickness of the base around 300 millimeter only, just 300 millimeter only. And then I just make it group. Then I just make the line with using line tool, and I just move the cursor on the edge of the circle. Then will be appear the center position of this circle. Then I just pull the line just like that, so I get the line right there. So you can see about the line on this in the middle of the circle. And after that I just make the sculpture wings. I just make the sculpture wings with the basic shape rectangle, just like that, with any size as you want. But I suggest you to make the sculpture wing just like this, approximately with the dimension 3 meter and the height around 990 millimeters, just like this. Then I wanna make the curvy line just like this. So because I will make the curvy wing of this sculpture anyway, then I just choose the 2-point arc just like this. You can see about the toolbar, and this one you can just start from this, and we can click it on this position, and we can pull the curvy line just like that, and approximately just like this. If you didn't like the shape is symmetrical, curvy just like this, you can repeat again and just click in this position, and just click on this position to make a variety of the curvy line to be a wings of this sculpture anyway. Then you can drag it to the right, and okay, we got it. And then we can offset it with offset tool, and then we can offset until maybe it's near to the edge of this rectangle shape. We can set it around 170 millimeters, just like this. Then we can just delete this line, just erase, and we can click and close the line with this position. And then we can delete some unnecessary line over there, so we can get the shape of this curvy wings of sculpture just like this. And then we can just set the thickness of this every single curvy sculpture wings right there, maybe approximately 100 millimeter of the thickness. Okay, and then we can make group. And for example, I just make it would be a wood material just like this. And okay, don't forget to rotate it up. Don't forget to rotate it based on the blue axis with a rotate tool on the left side of the menu. And we can set the rotation axis with the red axis, and then we can type 90. Okay, then okay, we can get the one of the curvy wings sculpture just like this. And we can click on this position, and we can position it on this position. Okay, and then we can make it component. We can make it component and just create it. And we can just click this object. We can just click this object, and then we can select the rotate. Then we can start click from the middle of this circle, and just click on this midpoint of the object. And don't forget to type plus right there. Don't forget to type a plus just like there, and then just click. And then we can type x 30, for example. Okay, so it will be auto range sculpture just like this. Or maybe we can make it more rapid we can make it more crowded. We can make it more crowded, so like it. Then we can just click it again. Okay, and then we can type X 30 again. Okay, just for example. Okay, just like this. And if you wanna make it more crowded until here, you can just repeat again. Maybe you can set the value of the count of this um, sculpture wing. Maybe approximately is around X 50. Okay, we can see about the result, just like this. I mean, it's just great anyway. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you will get a lot of benefit from this video, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.